Today, I will show you how to get Adobe Photoshop free for 1 year. No credit card required. No charge. Absolutely free. Firstly, come to your Google browser and paste this link to address bar and you will redirect to this page. Click on Add to Chrome button and Add Extension button. It will start installing this official extension to your browser. It may take few minutes to complete. When processing will be completed, you will be redirected to a new page. Click on Start Free Offer button. You will see a process will start and within few seconds a pop-up will come. You will need to click on Start Now button to get started. No credit card or payment required. After click on Start Now button, you need to sign up with your email address. You can use Continue with Google button for fastest login. Use your existing email address to easy access. If this is a new account, you need to set your birth month and birth year, and after that you will need to click on Create Account button. You will see a process for providing a 1-year access is start running. Wait for few minutes. You will see a new pop-up showing you with a Get Started button. When Get Started button will be appeared, you will need to click on that button. And congrats, you have successfully get your Photoshop Online for free with 1-year validity. Now you can use Photoshop Online completely free. If you face any problem, you can ask me on comment. I will try to reply all comments one by one. And if my video helps you, don't forget to like, comment and share. Complete your tour and start using Photoshop Online. Start using Photoshop by clicking on Create button on left side. You will able to use almost all features are showing here. You can start editing by uploading your own photo from your desktop or laptop. You will able to use all Photoshop tools that are available in online version 1 year completely free. So if my video helps you, please subscribe to my channel.